So here are 4 and 1 bonus tip at the end on how to retire in your 30s. Many people dream of retiring early and having the financial freedom to pursue their passions without worrying about money. So let's begin. Tip number 1. Save aggressively. The first step to retiring in your 30s is to save aggressively. You need to save a significant portion of your income every month. Some experts recommend saving 50% or more of your income. This may seem like a daunting task, but it's possible if you live frugally and avoid unnecessary expenses. To save aggressively, you need to prioritize your spending and cut back on things that are not essential. This means living in a smaller house, driving an older car, and avoiding expensive vacations. You also need to avoid lifestyle inflation, which is the tendency to increase your spending as your income increases. Tip number 2. Invest wisely. Saving is only half the battle. You also need to invest your money wisely to grow your wealth over time. This means investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets that will provide long-term growth. One popular investment strategy is to use low-cost index funds, which provide broad exposure to the stock market with minimal fees. This strategy is popular because it's simple, low cost, and has historically provided good returns. Tip number 3. Create multiple income streams. To retire in your 30s, you need to have multiple income streams that will provide ongoing income even after you retire. This may include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or a small business that generates passive income. Creating multiple income streams takes time and effort, but it can be very rewarding in the long run. It also provides a level of security, as you're not dependent on a single source of income. Tip number 4. Reduce debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to retiring early. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt or personal loans, can eat into your savings and prevent you from reaching your retirement goals. To retire in your 30s, you need to reduce your debt as much as possible. This means paying off credit card debt, student loans, and any other high-interest debt that's weighing you down. Bonus tip: have a plan. Finally, to retire in your 30s, you need to have a plan. This means setting clear financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. You need to know how much money you need to retire, how much you need to save each month, and how you're going to invest your money. Having a plan also means being flexible and adjusting your strategy as your circumstances change. You may need to make adjustments to your plan as you get older, start a family, or face unexpected challenges. At the end, retiring in your 30s is a lofty goal, but it's achievable with the right mindset, strategy, and effort. To retire early, you need to save aggressively, invest wisely, create multiple income streams, reduce debt, and have a plan. By following these tips, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy the life you want to live.